Hi all, this is Robbie from the garden. It's kind of a sad day today. Can't get my solar water fountains to work. It's been so cloudy and rainy, and the birds come and look, and the solar pump isn't working. See? It's not working. And it's just been so dark and rainy, and I don't know if you can see it. So it's kind of sad because now the birds have to come here and they don't have their running water. And there's my solar panel. Just no sun to get it to work, especially in the rain. But Gary said he's got an idea to make my solar pumps work again so my birds can come to the garden and drink out of my water fountain I set up for them. So let's see what he's come up with. And here he comes to the rescue. Oh my, look at this. Ooh, that looks dangerous. That's leaking, but oh well. Let's see. He says I'm going to have water. My pump is working. Now I have my solar pump. Look at that, working. Just be careful, Gary. The hose is leaking all over the extension cord, but that should be great. Have a great day, everybody. I'm so excited. I have my pump working in the rain and everything. Have a great day. Don't forget to eat what you grow. April Fools!